This is America in Space, a weekly news and information program on current events dealing with the space industry.
Welcome, and thanks for joining me today. I'm Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor. The Lassie project is testing robotic dogs in the rugged terrain of Oregon's Mount Hood in preparation for future missions in space in which people and robots will work together to explore. Spirit is a robot dog that is being trained to walk on the moon. The idea is to teach Spirit how to cope with difficult and changing terrains in much the same way that humans do, such as walking from hard or rocky surfaces to soft ground like snow or sand. This mimics the formidable challenge presented by the lunar surface with its cratered terrain, loose soil, and icy patches. The hope is that the robots will be able to navigate steep inclines and uneven surfaces that currently pose difficulties for wheeled vehicles by drawing inspiration from nature's most agile creatures, dogs. Here is Ian Rubens of Reuters and Christina Wilson, a cognitive scientist with the Lassie project, to tell us more.
This is Spirit, a robot that is being trained to walk on the moon. Scientists are testing it in the rugged terrain of Oregon's Mount Hood in preparation for future missions in space. The research is part of the Lassie project, which stands for Legged Autonomous Surface Science in Analog Environments.
Moving forward to missions that are going to occur on our moon, we're going to have humans and robots really for the first time on planetary missions working side by side. And so what the Lassie project is doing is really looking forward to that time and considering how should humans and robots collaborate for exploration of planets, particularly where should they go to collect data.
The idea is to teach Spirit how to cope with difficult and changing terrains in the same way humans do, such as walking from hard or rocky surfaces to soft ground like snow or sand.
With every step that the dog robot takes, it's able to sense kind of mechanical resistance with its leg, kind of similar to the way that when we walk on uneven surfaces as humans. And what's very cool is that scientists are interested in that data because it tells us things about how planetary surface formed and how it moves and how it might move in the future.
The Lassie team is comprised of experts from NASA, Texas A&M University, Georgia Institute of Technology, Oregon State University, Temple University, and the University of Pennsylvania. The group has a 2-year, $2 million grant to help NASA put teams of robots working together on the moon.
The Lassie team is confident in their ability to deliver their robot by the target deployment date of 2025 and prove their worth for the moon and beyond. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for listening from your home or where you work. Listen each Tuesday for This Week in Space with John Gomez. And join me every Friday for America in Space. From the Florida Space Coast, I'm Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor for About Space Today.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to share our program with your family and friends and follow us on Facebook. Join us each week for news and information on America in Space.